life, ain't it, PeaRoy?
Oh yeah, this is real nice.
Yeah, it's been a long time.
Yeah. Whew. Yeah.
Have you heard any good jokes there, Mr. Rick?
Well, yeah, I've heard a couple of jokes. You want to hear some?
Yeah, I want to hear some.
Well, one time there's this prison bus and a cement truck riding down the road.
Cement truck.
They run into each other.
Oh my.
And the police put out an APB saying, "Look out for hardened criminals."
Hardened criminal. That's pretty funny right there. Okay. Tell me next.
Well, let's see here. There was this baseball and it kept getting closer and closer. And I couldn't understand it. Then it did. I know. These are dad jokes.
I think I heard
right?
that before.
Dad jokes.
Yeah, it's dad jokes. Bad. Real bad. But give me next.
All right. Well, can you tell me what part of the body dies last?
What part of the body? What part of the body
dies last?
dies last?
Your pupils. Because they always
Oh, the
dilate.
eyes they dilate. I get you. All right.
All right, let's wait till this jet goes by.
Okay. I get it.
Anyway, you know there's no official training
Trash
for
collector.
trash collector.
No.
You ever thought about that? No, I mean they just pick it up as they go.
Oh man, they just pick
Okay,
it
you
up
think
as they
you can
go.
tell one better than that? You go right ahead.
Well, a friend of mine, he went bald, but he couldn't part with his comb no more.
Well, I guess he wouldn't need one, would he?
I want to die like my grandpa did.
Grandfather.
Not peaceful, you know, not like everybody else in that car.
Oh my goodness.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the way to go, man.
What do you call a woman that sets her bills on fire?
I don't know. What do you call a woman that sets fire to her bills?
A Bernadette.
Burn a debt. I got it.
That
That's
is
pretty good
ain't it?
right there. All right, give me a narrative.
Well, one time I was kidnapped by a mime. He did unspeakable things to me.
Oh.
Oh my.
All right. Well, let me tell my long one, and then you can tell your long one. All right. All right. Well, one time there was this fella, and he had a Chihuahua.
Chihuahua.
And he wanted to get it checked up, so he took it to the vet. And he was sitting there in the waiting room, and all of a sudden this Labrador retriever comes up and just smells him all over and looks at him and all that. And all of a sudden Labrador just, he went back in the back.
You don't say.
Well, a few minutes later, here comes this house cat,
A cat.
This cat walks up to him and looks at him, looks all over the Chihuahua,
Yeah.
and then he left.
Well.
Then the veterinarian comes out, he looks at him, and he writes him out a prescription, hands it to him.
Oh.
He said, that'll be $350.
$350.
Wait a minute, there's got to be some mistake. He said, no, sir. No mistake.
Wow.
The lab test was $150. And the CAT scan was another $150, and I just wrote you a prescription for $50. So that'll be $350.
I wouldn't be going to that veterinarian.
Oh, I know, man.
Oh.
There's got to be some kind of problem here.
Yeah.
All right, you tell yours.
All right, well, let's see here. One time there was this kangaroo, and they was outside, and the youngest was playing everywhere, and she was talking to a rabbit, and the kangaroo says, I understand it's supposed to rain. I sure do hate that. And the rabbit said, well, what are you so upset about? He said, we need some rain. She said, look here, Miss Rabbit, Your kids don't have to play inside.
Oh man, that man ain't.
Oh man.
Yeah, that's
Oh
right.
man, that's funny right there. I don't care who you are. Well, anyway, look here. I'm gonna just sit here for a few minutes and wait. I may even just doze off.
Yeah,
You know,
been a good week.
Been a good week.
Us sitting up here like this, been a good week.
You
Hey,
guys
look.
come back now. All right.
Ken, like you said, y'all come back. Thank you for tuning in, all right?